Hi.
We just finished with Ipath in Baltimore at the Baltimore Yoga Village School, and these ladies just finished it and had nothing but good things.
Like, I feel totally like a different person.
I like how you said in the beginning you weren't really comfortable, and you kind of wanted to use the breath.
Yes.
And tell us a little bit about that.
I was super uncomfortable, needed to comfort myself to feel better, and the breath really helped me. So I really worked on focusing on that.
Always, isn't it? Yeah. And how about you? You're a yoga teacher.
Yes, I'm a yoga teacher, restorative yoga and vinyasa, and my body, and 4 months postnatal. And I had so much back pain and a lot of things when I walked in here today. And what it really reminded me of is my posture and the things that my body, you know, even though I'm a yoga teacher, these things exist in me. And when I lie down and was able to breathe and quiet down a little and some of these techniques, I feel amazing. My body, I feel so light right now.
Oh, great.
I feel like I haven't felt like this since I had the baby.
That's great.
For real. And that feeling of quiet and stillness that I haven't had
That's great.
yet.
I like how you said meet yourself.
And you do. Every breath, it was, you know, I'm checking in and I'm meeting myself every breath
Oh, that's great.
on the mat. And it just really felt nice. I feel very serene right
Yeah,
now.
it's a good group.
I
It was a
appreciate,
good group.
yes.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Namaste out there.
Namaste.